Tips for learning English from this story. Listen and repeat. Read the story out loud to practice pronunciation. New words. Write down new words and their meanings. Ask questions. Can you summarize the story in your own words? Practice conversations. Imagine you lost something. How would you ask for help?
Chapter 1. The Missing Key. My name is Jake. I live in a small apartment with my dog, Max. Every morning I go for a run in the park before work. But one morning something went wrong. I locked my door and put the key in my pocket. Then I ran to the park with Max. The sun was shining and everything was perfect. But when I got home, I reached for my key. It was gone. "Oh no," I said. "Where is my key?" Max wagged his tail, but he couldn't help me. I looked in my pockets again. Nothing. I checked my bag. Nothing. I took a deep breath. "Okay, Jake. Think. Where did you last see the key?" Chapter 2. The Search. I ran back to the park and retraced my steps. I looked under benches, on the grass, and near the fountain. Still, no key. Maybe someone found it, I thought. I asked a woman sitting on a bench, "Excuse me, have you seen a small silver key?" She shook her head. "No, sorry. But you should check the lost and found." "Great idea," I said and ran to the park office. The man at the desk smiled. "A key?" "Yes. Someone brought one this morning." "Can you describe it?" "It's small and silver," I said, "and it has a blue keychain with my name on it." The man nodded and gave me the key. "Here you go. A kind lady found it near the fountain. Thank you so much," I said, feeling relieved. Chapter 3. A Lesson Learned. When I got home, I sat on the couch and looked at Max. "That was close," I said. "I need to be more careful." I decided to keep a spare key with my neighbor, Mrs. Green. She was kind and always helped me. "If I lose my key again, I know where to go," I told her. From that day, I always checked my pocket before leaving. I learned a lesson. Small mistakes can teach big lessons.
Hope you enjoyed the story. Keep practicing and improving your English.